Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we have an animal one, great white shark. So we're on a landscape orientation page. Use pencil, hit pause if I go too fast. This is like the full, it's not just the head, it's the full shark, okay? So it fits nicely into a landscape page, so I said I might as well do the full body. Why not? We'll give it a go. So we're going to just draw a circle for his eye, right? So just to get the head in the right place, we're up here on the top right hand corner and you're just going to draw a circle like that, and they've got dead black eyes, so color it in just black, no shine or anything, just opaque black. So, and then his nose comes off that like a point, so we come out like so, it's just above the eye a little bit, and then it curves around the bottom and goes in towards his mouth. Okay, so he's got like a nostril kind of thing, just sort of here. It's like a curving line. I think it is his nose, but I'm not sure. Like a nostril or something just there. So then underneath here, his mouth comes across. So open like this. And then it kind of slants down when you get past the eye. So it kind of slants down here. Like his top lip sort of area. So then along here we have rows of spiky, sharp shark teeth. Okay, so they can go in all sorts of different directions. It actually looks like better if you do it in different directions, you know, instead of all one row. Like this kind of thing. And then like a gum line, kind of a bumping, gnarly kind of gum line going that way. And then maybe a bit of a line at the back. But the rest is basically shadow all in here. So colored in black. Okay, so then his chin will come down this way. Big chin, so it's like he's shaped like a torpedo, so his body goes the whole way back this way, right from his chin, okay? So we'll just go from here, so we'll go back this way. So it's a particular type of shape. It's kind of wider here and then gets skinnier as you go back. So skinnier on his head, gets a little bit wider and then gets skinnier as you go down. Okay, so say like up here then. So we start to get a little bit wider now. This kind of thing. So that's like his head. And he might have a line just coming towards his nose here, like a sort of a texture line, like that kind of thing. So we'll keep going with this line. Starting to go down towards the tail, and so the belly then as well comes this way. So you're going for like a torpedo shape. Like this, and there is a fin that comes out down here somewhere that crosses this line, so it goes like to there. Like that. And yeah, so we'll go down the back then, all the way to his tail. it's a very particular type of shape. Okay, real torpedo. And then, so his fin, is the dorsal fin, just up here. So it kind of grows up from here. Bring it around to a pointy sort of part, and the back is kind of jaggedy. Must have had a lot of bites taken out of it. Like that. Okay, we'll keep going towards the tail. So all the way down, like so, and then the tail kind of sticks up like a point back here. Okay, and then comes down real far down the bottom here, like that. His tail, I think, is slightly turned away from us, so it's like it's bigger on the bottom because this bit's kind of flicking out, you know. He's propelling himself, swimming along. And then we travel back up this way. So we'll just go back up to here, and then we have a small fin sticking out here, and then a big fin going down that way. So let's see. So like, what do we do? Think. We'll do the big fin first, right? So because it comes out from his body just up near his gills here, right? So we got like a curved line there, and then this comes down like so, real big. And it kind of curves around the end, sort of here. Like that. So it's got a point here, and then it goes back up, and it's like jaggedy, kind of like this as well. So it's pointing this way. And it goes up and joins into his body somewhere up here. And maybe like another line showing the connection joint just there. Some skin folds just around it, maybe. Like that. And it maybe like another just line to show the bone or the edge of the fin just here. Goes that way. And then, so like I said, there's a small fin just here. So it like sticks out like this. Kind of goes into his body there. You know, maybe some fold lines. Edge line on that. And another little small fin sticking out the other side. Like so. So on his tail, he's got like a bone going up that way. And then maybe something going down the other side, just there. And some of his spine keeps going that way. And so this, yeah, this is like the bone of his back, right? So it doesn't go right across the top, just kind of dislocates and goes this way. Like that. And it disappears then into his muscle and skin and stuff. Just there. So we need this fin that's here. So this one is like, looks real skinny because it's like going away from us. But this one is much wider, so it like comes down like so. And then bring it back around. Back up, and it can be a jaggedy sort of line if you want, like that. And really, there's a line coming in here actually. And I think he has an ear. Does he have an ear? Yeah, it's like just above this fin sort of area. So like right here, it's like a little dot or something like that. Maybe a line for his head going that way. Right, so his gills. So we have these. Let me check. Yeah, just sort of lines, vents, just vent lines. So it goes down like so, right by his fin there. Next one, down like so. Next one, down to there. Next one, down like so. Do like that, sort of. So you can darken them up to give them a bit of shadow if you want, but that is the basic idea. Like that, and maybe like some texture lines, or we'll give him like a scar, will we? I'm thinking about giving him a scar, but we'll do the line that separates the color of the shark. You know, the black and the white. So like starts at his nose and it goes the whole way down. It can be kind of a disconnected sort of line. Doesn't have to, you know, this kind of thing. Just zigzagging down. You can do this anyway, really. Like literally anyway. Going over his gills. Kind of goes in on his fin there a little bit. Maybe some like spots around that, and then up the other side. Going the whole way down. It kind of joins his fin there and then goes down his tail. A little bit higher up on his tail. And there is some spots of black on him as well. It goes down his spine, down into there. And there might be like a black edge on his fin here. Oh, and we can see a little bit, another fin coming out the other side, just there. Yeah, that's it. How to draw a great white shark. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.